gave you this kind of punishment? In your eye like this, what happened to your eyes? When you make nine.
Hey!
Oh no. You are here. You are who are you? Jesus! Yes, Jesus, somebody help!
Who is this man?
Stop that pot on the ground.
You? Nene
You don't know why it's going on.
I don't want to handle you. So you people think that you can joke with my government?
I don't know why you're doing this to me.
What's going on now?
People want me for my Hey, did I told you that I don't know how to rule this world?
Jesus.
Huh? I only said how can you suggest that such nonsense? The person you know that he's a rebellion. So you want to joke with this my office? Then what the drama with this one? I know how to rule. Continue picking that pin. I will use this for you. I said that continue picking. Not too much. How dare you? How dare you come to the meeting and be fomenting trouble, looking for trouble every time? My way. The person you know that is contesting for chairmanship, which is not eligible for it. I just wanted to maintain peace. To beat the pin, madam.
Yeah, maybe one.
Madam, okay, wait, now tell me this. How much did man she's not acting and nothing at all, nothing. She answered enough for less. How can you put that nonsense suggestion that I should leave my office, my own seat, that I hate? What kind of nonsense is that? You more like this
evening you will die.
Madam, if I go untie me, I want to kill somebody. Untie me! No, I can't bear it anymore. Untie me!
What did you do? You want to fight me? This person is very arrogant. So upon this condition, you want to fight me? Come on. I won't do this. But never try to forget this kind of and for you. Hey!
Chairman. Thank God you're alive. Thank God.
They'll be fine now.
Thank God.
They'll be fine now.
Thank God. Thank God.
Thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, my Lord. Are you okay? You okay? Thank God.
Where's Mercy too much?
He's not away now.